illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to show you how to create a Mother's Day illustration. So go ahead and get your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our cupcake character. So the first thing that we want to do is add the bottom edge of our cupcake. And from there we're going to add two sides, 1 and 2. Now this cupcake is going to have a lot of icing on it. So we want to start off by adding a slightly curved line. So this way. And then we're going to build on top of this. And we're going to keep going back and forth with this technique here. Come back, up one more time, and back. Now up top we're going to put a cherry on top. So we're going to add a little cherry shape up top here. With a stem. And now we're going to seal off our frosting. All right, now we are making this a very, very happy cupcake. So the first thing we need to do is add a really big smile. So we'll start off with a line, followed by a very big letter U. See its little tongue there. And for the eyes, we're going to make them smiling eyes. Little eyelashes. And 2 eyebrows. And we'll just put a few hints of like the cupcake liner lines here. Now, once again, this is a very happy cupcake. So we want the arms to be up and celebrating, and we'll see 3 little fingers there. 1, and second arm 2. And for the legs, we want to make it look like our cupcake is jumping for joy. So we're going to make our legs slightly curved, the little foot. And this one we're going to curve up with the little foot. And again, we want to make sure that the viewer knows our cupcake is jumping up. So we want to put just a little oval to show a little cast shadow there for our cupcake. All right, illustrators, so there we have the outline of our character. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our cupcake characters. The very last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, everybody!